What a rectus diastasis means is that your rectus muscles, which are those six-pack muscles that run up and down in the center of the abdomen, have spread. And that happens in 100% of women that have had at least one child. So there's a common misconception that physical therapy or exercise or special compression garments could cure rectus diastasis. A rectus diastasis is a permanent separation of the six-pack muscles. The only way to repair rectus diastasis is surgically. Rectus diastasis is repaired through a low incision below the bikini line. Women that already have a C-section scar, it's a no-brainer. All we have to do is excise or cut out the C-section scar and just extend it a few centimeters on each side. Other women, we make a very thin incision just above the pubis. It's always hidden in the underwear line, always hidden in the bikini line. I repair the muscles, bring them back together at the midline, and suture them closed with permanent suture in multiple layers. And that provides a permanent repair of the rectus diastasis.